Are you wasting hours trying to remove unwanted parts from your video? Wrong cuts, messy timeline, ruined footage. Every editor faces this problem. But in Filmora 15, cutting, trimming, and splitting is easier than you think, and I will show you exactly how in just a few minutes. First, open Filmora 15. Create a new project. Import your video clip. Drag it onto the timeline. Now let us start with trimming. This is for removing unwanted parts from the start or end of your clip. Hover your mouse over the left edge of your clip on the timeline. You will see a trim arrow appear. Click and drag it to the right to remove the unwanted beginning. Do the same on the right edge. To trim the end of your clip, done. Your clip is now shorter and cleaner. Pro tip number 1. Use quick split mode for even faster cutting. Now click the cursor icon at the top of the timeline. Select Quick Split Mode, or simply press the C key on your keyboard. Now your mouse becomes a razor. Click anywhere on your clip, and it splits instantly. No playhead needed. Perfect for making multiple cuts fast. Pro tip number 2. Right-click on your clip in the timeline. You will see Trim Start to Playhead and Trim End to Playhead options. This removes everything before or after your playhead position. In one click. Fastest trimming method in Filmora 15. Pro tip number 3. You can also use the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and B on Windows, or Command and B on Mac. Instantly splits your clip at the playhead position, much faster than clicking. Now let us talk about cutting out a section from the middle. Move the playhead to the start of the unwanted section. Now press Ctrl and B to split. Now move the playhead to the end of the unwanted section. Press Ctrl and B again. The unwanted section is now a separate clip. Click on it to select it. Press the Delete key. Gone. Your video is now clean and seamless. If this saved you time, please hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I reply to everyone. And subscribe for more Filmora 15 tutorials every week. See you in the next one.